everybody is ready? Okay. Now, all the new kids which have joined in, let me see who's joined in. Good morning, Hussein. Good morning, Zada. Good morning, Shreyas. Good morning, Hamza. Good morning. Karanveer, good morning. Atif, good morning. Devansh, good morning. Sarah, good morning. Hey, Mustafa, good morning. Okay. Yes. Good morning, all of you. Now let me see who else is joined. Luki Pookie's joined. Luki, good morning. Good morning, Alifia. Good morning, Insia.
Good morning.
Good morning, Anisha. Good morning, Ahmad. Okay. So all of you all have wish. Palak, who's Palak? I think it is I don't know the name of the child. Yes. Okay. So all of you are
That
very
is Gauran, I
important.
think, ma'am.
It's Gaurang. Oh, yeah. Gaurang, you look so different on the screen. I didn't recognize you. My Kaju boy, good morning. Okay. Now, let me just, Jamini, can we have the hello song first?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Everybody is ready to say hello. It's been raining. And let's say hello to the rains also. Okay. So, it was Independence Day. Did you do flag hoisting? Did anybody did flag hoisting? Yes? Anybody did flag hoisting?
I did.
You did, Hussein? You did? I loved the way everybody was dressed up. Okay, hello!
It's time to say hello. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone.
Okay, good morning to all of you who have joined in new, Jayan, then it is Ivan, all the new kids, okay? So now we had Independence Day, we celebrated on Saturday, everybody did flag hoisting and we sang Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, we sang all the Independence Day songs, okay? And now it is raining and raining and raining. It is not going only. So let's sing some rainy day songs, okay? Should we sing? Okay, Barish Aayi, come on everybody with me. Barish Aayi, Barish Aayi, chum chum chum, chum chum chum. लेकर छाता निकले हम, लेकर छाता निकले हम, पैर फिसल गया, गिर गए हम, ऊपर छाता, नीचे हम. Okay, one more rain poem. Come on, everybody, put your hands on your ears. Aya thunder, aya thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Come on. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. So are you. Okay, you can sing with me. You can open your mute and you mute yourself and sing with me if you know the poem. Okay. Chalo, now one more poem. Rain on the green grass. Come on. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the tree. Rain
on the house top, but not on me.
Come on. When umbrellas go up, rain comes down. Red and blue and green and brown. Now make Poppy. Poppy, Poppy, Poppy. All the way. Oh, what fun on a rainy day. Okay. Now, Today we, oh, Froggy Woggy, your favorite Froggy Woggy, come on. Froggy Woggy tried to jump on a stone and got a bump. Made his eyes big and round, turned his nosy upside down. Okay. Now today you are going to learn about birds. Okay. And today you're going to talk about ducks also. So I have a nice poem for you. Okay. 6, 6, 6. Okay. Pick your fingers 6. Come on. 6 little ducks that I once knew. Fat ones, skinny ones, tall ones too. But the first little one with a feather in his cap, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Okay, again. 6 little ducks that I once knew. Fat ones, skinny ones, and tall ones too. But the first little one with the feather on his back, he led the others with the quack, quack, quack. Yay! That was really fun. And you know what? Today I'm going to put one poem in the group. Okay, tell Mama to make you learn. Because on Wednesday we are going to learn about shadows. So I want anybody to recite the poem, okay? Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. I am the little shadow man. I run before and I race with you. I walk beside and follow you. You may stop me if you will. I won't move if you stand still. Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. I am a shadow man. This is the new poem. I'm going to write it and put it in the group and tell Mama to make you learn this. So it is really nice. And we are going to learn about shadow. But now it's time to learn more about birds that live in the water. So over to Jabin teacher. Where are you, Jabin teacher? Yes, Jabin teacher, here are you.
Here I am. Okay, here I am. Okay, can you all hear me and can you all see me?
Yes.
Yes, wow. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Okay, good morning to all the kids here. Now, with Jyoti teacher, you have learned lots about birds. So let's revise quickly how these birds came in. Okay. Now, what are birds? You learned about the jungle animals. You learned about herbivorous, which eat plants. You learned about carnivorous animals, which eat other animals, right? Now, you learned about these birds, right? Jyoti teacher taught you about parrots, about birds which you can keep home, didn't she? Yes, but you know one thing about birds. These birds, they crack from the egg. From where these birds come? These birds crack from the egg. Yes, they crack from this egg, right? So these birds are called oviparous because they crack from the eggs. What are birds? Why are they called oviparous? Because they crack from the egg. Yes, so this is how the birds come. And more things about birds you want to learn today with me. So birds have wings, right? Their bones are hollow. So they can fly. Everybody show me. Can you fly like birds? Come on, fly like birds. Fly.
Like
Yes, but can you go?
Fly,
Birds.
fly.
Fly. Come on, fly. Fly like birds. Fly. So why have you ever thought, how can these birds fly? Because their bones are very hollow. There is no weight in their bones. And how they breathe. And you have teeth. Show me teeth. Everybody has teeth. Birds don't have teeth. They have a beak. Can you see the beak? Yes, they have a beak. They don't have teeth. They have a beak with what they catch their food. They hold their grains, and their bones are very hollow. Yes, and they also have lungs. We breathe, no? Can we all breathe? Come on, breathe. Yes, even birds breathe. They also have lungs. They also breathe. Yes. So what 3 things did you learn about birds? They crack from the eggs. Yes, they are oviparous. Big kids can learn this word. They are oviparous because they crack from the eggs. Their bones are hollow. Their bones are hollow. No weight in the bone. कुछ वजन ही नहीं है. There is no weight in the bones. And they have feathers which are very light, which help them to fly. See, with the help of their feathers, they can fly up in the sky and land on the earth. Yes, then they breathe with their lungs. They also breathe. And birds do not have teeth. They have beaks. They have all different kinds of beaks. Now, as you know, birds come from the eggs, right? Do you want to see birds which live in water? You only know quack, 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 quack. Everybody always says, little kids know this bird very well. It's a duck. Yes.
Duck.
How does the duck quack? Come on, everybody quack, 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 quack. Everybody quack with me. Quack with me. They quack, quack, quack. Yes. So, but the duck loves to be in the water all the time. The duck loves to be in the water. You see, here I have a duck for you. Can you see? His beak, yes. The feathers, yes. And the webbed feet. How are their feet? How is the feet of the duck? They are webbed. They have webbed feet. That is why they can swim very well. Yes. So here is the duck. And can you tell me what is the baby duck called? What is the baby duck called? The baby duck is the duckling. Quack, quack. Wherever the mama is going, mama, I am coming. Mama, I am coming. Because she always likes to be with their mama. Yes. So duck and duckling. This is the duck. This is the duckling. And how do they quack? Come on, quack, 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 quack. They quack, yes. And they love water. They love to be in the water. They climb the rock in the water. And what do they eat in the water? They hunt for something in the water. What do they eat all the time? Oh my, what is it, Jenny? They always love to, yes, they love to eat the fishes in the water. So, what do the duck love? They love to eat the fishes in the water. Yes. And which else is there in the water? We see one more bird in the water with the duck. What are those? Yes, those are the swans. You want to see the
Swan.
Here they are.
Swan.
Yes, this is the swan. Yes, and all the time they want to go in a bigger pond. So they search for a bigger pond. And can you see the beak? See the difference of the beak? This beak is a little flat. The beak is a little sharp. Yes. So they also love to be around in the pond. So one swan comes in and there is one more swan. Hello, friend. How are you? I am also there with you. And also love to be in the water. Yes, because they are going to eat fishes in the water. See this crane's beak. Can you see? Oh my, such sharp beak they have. They don't have teeth. They have beaks. Yes. Then around the field, around the green grass, in the pond, there is a swan, there is a crane, there is quack, quack, the ducks. You know what? They love to be in groups. They love to be in colonies because they all go together. The group of ducks want to be together. The group of swans want to be together. They always move in colonies. They always go in groups. What are their groups called? Herd. Their groups is called herd. Yes. Then there is one more bird. Can you think who is pink in color? Who has funny knees?
Flamingo.
Very good. Funny
Flamingo.
knees. Yes. Do
Flamingo.
you want to see the flamingo? Here, flamingo, where are you? Here is the flamingo. Can you see it? Yes. See, their knees are very thin and funny, and they have a sharp, long, curvy neck. Yes. So this is the flamingo. Yes, it is the flamingos. But what do the flamingos eat? They eat the fishes. They eat the worms. Yes, they eat lot of worms. You know, they search all the worms when they are hungry. They search for all the worms and they want to eat all the worms on the grass. They want to eat all the fishes. Yes. Then, you know one more thing about flamingo? I have written for you. I want to tell you, flamingos have pink feathers. They have a long curvy neck and they love dancing because when they are in groups, they love dancing. What do they love? They love to dance in big groups. Yes, they are always together. Okay.
So, which birds did we see till now? We saw
Bird which has a big, the crane has the big beak. Yes, I have one more crane to show you here. And you know what they do? Oh my, they hold the fishes here in their beaks. Can you see how they hold the fishes? Yes, they hold the fishes. Yes, in the water they hunt for their fishes. Oh my, and they eat the fishes. Everything in the water they search and they eat. That is their food. So they love to be in water. They love to be on the green grass. They love to roam around. They are also, and they know to swim. What is the best part of the duck? What the swan do? They know to swim. Do you know swimming? How? And they swim with the help of their webbed feet. Did you see the feet? Yes. Did you see the duck's feet? Yes, they have webbed feet, which help them all for swimming. Yes. So did we see so many water birds today? Come on, repeat after me. Which water birds did we see? We saw the duck, which says quack, quack. And we have the swan.
Wow.
Swan, yes. We had the crane, which has a
Great.
big, sharp, long beak because they fly and then they catch the fish, yes, and they try to eat it, yes. See, they catch, sometimes they see in the water and they try to catch the fish in the pond, yes. And which was the pink one which loved dancing? Which is the pink bird which loves dancing and which has funny knees? Flamingo. They have funny knees, yes, and they have a long curvy neck. Did you see the long neck? Yes. So this is the flamingo. Wow. Now there is a largest bird, a big bird, which gives a big egg. Which bird is that thing? Which is a big bird and which gives a very big egg. Do you know that bird? Ooh, it's the ostrich. Yes, it is the ostrich, which is the largest bird. Yes, and which gives very big egg. It gives a big egg. Have you seen in a movie? In a movie, have you seen the big ostrich and a big egg? Yes, it gives a very big egg, and ostrich is the largest bird. Yes, it is a very big bird. So if anybody asks you which is the largest bird, come on, tell me which is the largest bird? Ostrich, which gives a very big egg. Yes. And which is the bird which has funny knees? The very funny flamingo. Yes, and these water birds, when they are in the pond, when they are in the lake, when they are in the swimming in the water, what do they love to eat? They love to eat the fishes. Yes. Now, do you know what? I have one more bird to show you. But can you see it around over here? In this pond, I cannot see. In this pond, I cannot see. But which is flying? Can you see a bird behind me there? Oh my, I want to specially show you this bird. You know, this bird is something special about this bird. Oh my, there is something special. Yes, let me remove the. This is a special bird. You know why? See the beak. Oh my, इसकी beak तो बहुत fat है. Can anybody tell me which bird is this? Can you tell me? This is a pelican, a new bird I'm going to show you today. It's a pelican. You know what is the speciality of this bird? It can store lot of water in its beak. बहुत सारा पानी है beak के अंदर. और देखो, the beak is so fat. Can you see the beak of the pelican?
Yes, we
Yes,
can.
it is very fat. Yes, and it can store lot and lot of water. So this is a pelican. Yes. So you want to see? I want to show you some images which you will be able to see closely on your device. Okay. So I want to show you some slides which you will see of birds. Okay. So you can have a recap with me. The duck, the flamingo, the pelican, yes, the pelican which catches fish, yes, and it can store so much of water, so many gallons of water it can store in its beak, yes. So when it swallows the fish, it can drink lot of water from this stored, yes, this lot of water from this stored beak, okay. So we learned many water birds. Which were those? The duck, the flamingo, yes, which loves to be on the land also. The swan, yes, which is white. Then we learned about the crane. Yes, did we? These all are water birds. They love water. Yes, they all love water. They like to be in the water and they love to eat the fishes in the water all the time. They are hunting to where I can find the fish and then my tummy is full. Yes, so you learn 3 facts about birds, okay? They don't have teeth. They have a beak. They are oviparous because they crack from the egg. Yes, they are oviparous. They crack from the egg. Then they also breathe. And their bones are hollow, no weight in the bones, right? Yes. So now, today, first we will learn drawing of the duck. Everybody likes to draw. You have a paper, you have a pencil, or you can have a slate or a chalk. You want to draw with me? First, let's draw with me. Then I will show you some slides, and then I will show you some video of the dancing flamingo. Yes. So let's draw a duck. Okay. Now this duck to draw is very easy. Okay. How are you going to draw it? Everybody knows to write number 2. Don't you know to write number 2? Everybody knows to write number 2. You know to write number 2. Come on, everybody is ready. Lubaina teacher, can you see everybody having their pencils, their either a slate or a chalk or a pencil or a paper? Okay, everybody knows to write number 2. You know to
Yes,
write
they
number
are
2?
ready. They are
Let's
doing
write
it.
number 2. Come on, let's write number 2. Here I write a number 2.
Very
Let's
good.
draw duck with number 2. It is going to be very easy. Did you draw? I'll wait for everybody. My little kids have to draw number
Hamza, where is your
2.
book? Hamza is not ready.
Yes. Let's draw number 2. I'm going to wait for you. No hurry. Then I am going to
Nitya,
draw.
why are
I'm
we
going to
not
take this
writing?
inside. Let's make a hook. Let's make a hook. Let's make a small hook inside. Very good. After making the hook, take it down, make round, round, round,
Yes. Come on,
and go up.
everybody.
Did you make a round circle, half circle? Did you make round, round, half circle and go up? Yes. Did you do it? Did you do it?
Come on, show me
Yes.
who's done it.
Wow. That birds have feathers, don't they? They have feathers.
Very
which
good,
help them to
Devansh.
fly.
Devansh,
help.
come on, do more. Good, Hussein.
Yes, which help them to fly. And they have feathers. You know, one more fact
Meet, we
about
can't see
the
yours. Meet, we can't see yours, bacha.
you know, kids, ducks have waterproof feathers. Did you know? Ducks की जो feathers है वो है waterproof. That is why they dip in the water and they put the water off their feathers. How we wear a raincoat? Already their feathers are waterproof. So this is a fact about ducks.
Insia, good.
Feathers are
Very nice.
waterproof. Yes. So let's draw the feathers. Come on.
Devan, very good.
Are we drawing? Let's draw
Nice,
up and
Amira.
down, up and down. Did you draw? Up and down. What is
Devan's
missing?
drawing.
What is missing? Eyes are missing there because duck.
Come
And
to your
all the
duck and
birds.
show me. Come on, Atif, you don't have to
I
speak.
have eyes also and they have beak also. Oh my. Make a beak. Yes. Make a beak. Oh my.
Very good,
Yes.
Safia. Yes, very nice, Safia.
And they love
You can
water.
draw
So they
eyes and all, bacha, and draw water down. Very
Can we
good,
have
Safia.
water down? Yes, I can have water also. They love to be in water all the time. And
Very good, Sakina.
you
Very
can color
good.
your duck
I could see your
yellow.
lovely.
Yes.
Sakina is
You
running
can
away.
color your duck yellow also today at home. No problem. You can see how teacher is drawing and you can do it at home when you
Mustafa, are
have
you
time.
doing it? Mustafa
Yes.
Katawala, are you doing it? Show me. Very good, Swaraj.
See, I have
Good,
colored my
Hamza. Very
duck
nice.
with yellow chalk.
Mustafa,
Yes,
very
I have
good.
made
Ateeb, good.
And with which letter is duck? Da 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 da
Devansh's
da
duck
da.
is very beautiful. I like
Yes.
Devansh's duck is very nice.
D
This we have
for
fishes
duck.
with order.
Alifia is good. Nivan.
Yeah,
Neet,
very good.
very
Small
good.
kids,
Ateeb, very good.
little kids like Ivan, little kids who are like
Ivan,
Yara, they can
are very
write
good.
D. D for duck. That's duck. Duh. Duh.
Very
Yes.
good. Karanvi,
I have drawn
Karanvi
one
colored
more
it
duck for
inside.
you over here. See?
Hussein, good.
With the
Very nice. I like Sakina's duck also. Very cute.
yes, very good. So how easy
Yeah,
it is
very
to draw?
nice. Very sweet duck. Lovely.
can
All are
see
doing it.
so
Anisha's mama
easily.
do it. Anisha is watching mama doing it.
So easy. With number 2, you can draw a duck easily. So did you learn to draw duck with number 2? Yes. Thumbs up. Very good. Now I have kept few slides for you. Okay, this is yeah, I have kept few slides. I want to show you and have a quick recap so you can see those ducks very closely to you. Okay, because teachers' ducks are very far. Yeah, see? Wow. Did you draw this duck? Yes. Very nice. Oh, this is the swan. Yes. Did you see?
So
You know,
beautiful
when these
it looks.
fruits- Yes, in the water, they are so pretty. They are so beautiful. Then flamingo. See the funny legs, the funny knees. These are the flamingos, the pink flamingo. Then I have this, oh my, this is the pelican, which I told you, see? The big beak. And can you see down? They have stored a lot of water. This is the pelican. See? This is one more pelican. Can you see? The big fat yellow thing down the beak. That is the speciality of a pelican. Okay. Now fast, I'm going to show you a short video because we have Zainab teacher also waiting for us. And she wants to show you so many things also. So let me show you a video of a flamingo. Okay, fast we get to see how they honk, honk, honk.
Many other languages.
I honk honk to you. I click and clack too. I'm a greater flamingo. That's how I say hello. Across Africa, Europe and Asia, lakes, lagoons and sandy banks are places where I camp. I honk honk to you. I click and clack too. I'm a greater flamingo. That's how I say hello. I eat fish and crabs, algae and snails. I grab my food is what turns me pink. It's the carotenoid, I think. I honk honk to you. I click and clack too. I'm a greater flamingo. That's how I say hello. My chicks stay in crush where it's clean and fresh. I can always spot their call from thousands of chicks in all. I honk honk to you. I click and clack too. I'm a greater flamingo. That's how I say hello. I live to be 40, all pink and pretty. I preen and dance to win my mate. I go on a great parade. I honk honk to you. I click and clack too. I'm a greater flamingo. That's how I say hello. My colony, it's a large family. 20,000 pairs at least. You'll find us feast in peace. I honk honk to you. I click and clack too. I'm a greater flamingo. That's how I say hello.
Wow, so did you see? Yes, did you see? The flamingo family, how they are in the parade. Yes, so now it's time to say bye to the swan, bye to the pelican, and bye duckling. Did you enjoy making ducks? Yes, did you enjoy making one duck? You can make so many ducks now. When you have a math lesson, when you have D for duck, you can draw a duck. Okay, so did you enjoy the birds today? You saw a new bird, a pelican, which has a big fat beak. So do remember. Okay, so time to say bye. I'm going to take you to Zainab teacher. Where is Zainab teacher? So today she's going to teach you so many new things. Where is Zainab teacher? Where are you? Here she is. I can spot her. Yes, Zainab teacher. So over to you.
Yes,
Good morning, everyone.
Yes. Zainab teacher, before that, if the upper KG wants to move out, they can all move out. Okay. So you all can move and over to lower KG kids for their language session.
Good morning,
Okay.
the mean teacher.
Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing fine. Yes? So shall we start our lesson with our phonics song? Today, no video of phonics song. Okay? Zainab teacher is going to sing the phonics song and you all are going to sing it with me. Okay? No just sitting and looking. So shall we start? Yes? Come on. A for aeroplane, A, A, A. B for bee, B, B, B. C for cow, C, C, C. D for dice, D, D, D. E for elephant, A, A, A. F for fairy, F, F, F. G for giraffe, G, G, G. H for helicopter, H, H, H. I for igloo, E, E, E. J for jelly, J, J, J. K for kangaroo, K, K, K. L for ladybug, L, L, L. M for mango, M, M, M. N for nurse, N, N, N. O for octopus, O, O, O. P for penguin, P, P, P. Q for quill, Qu, Qu, Qu. R for rainbow, R, R, R. S for ship, S, S, S. T for telephone, T, T, T. U for umbrella, V for violin, V, V, V. W for watermelon, V, V, V. X for xylophone, X, X, X. Y for yacht, Y, Y, Y. Z for zebra, Z, Z, Z. Okay, so that was our phonics song. Now we have finished all the standing line letters and so many sleeping line letters. Yes, we have done a thorough revision of it. So now today we are going to see a new letter. Yes, do you want to see which new letter I have got for you today? Now, today we are going to form a new letter with slanting lines. See, I have got for you 2 strips. Can you see this? Yes. Now you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make one slanting line and I'm going to make again another slanting line. See? Can you tell me which letter is this? Which letter I have made? Slanting line, slanting line. Yes, this is letter X. Which this? This is letter X. X, X, X. X says X, X, X. Yes, now let us see what starts with letter X. Okay, see what has come. What is this? Can you tell me? Yes, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. When do we celebrate Christmas? In the month of December, when it is very cold. Yes, and during Christmas, we decorate our Xmas tree. So, X for Xmas tree. X, X, X. What sound X makes? X, X, X. Yes, so this is an Xmas tree which we decorate. And can you see what is all this white on the Xmas tree? It is snow. Yes, because it is very cold when Christmas season comes. There is
Zana, teacher.
snowfall.
Zana,
Yes, ma'am.
teacher, can you put X little this side? We cannot see it. It is getting little cut. The whole letter is not seen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, because that's a formation. Yes, perfect.
Okay. Yes. So this is X for Xmas tree. X, X, X. Okay. Now, what is going to come next? Now, you know what? Zainab teacher has got hurt in her hand. Can you see where I've got hurt? Can you see? No. But my hand is paining. It's paining so much. Yes. So when I went to the doctor wants to see where I have got hurt.
X-ray.
But he cannot see. So, you know, doctor told me to remove a test. And you know which test Zainab teacher removed? Yes. See? I have removed an X-ray. What is an X-ray? X-ray is a report which shows you all your bones. Yes, you can see your bones in the X-ray. That is how the doctor will come to know where you have got hurt. Yes, so X for X-ray. Can you see the X-ray report, everyone? See? Yes, this is a X-ray. X for X-ray. Okay. Now, what else comes with X? This is a musical instrument. Yes? Which musical instrument is this? This is a xylophone.
Xylophone.
Yes. X for xylophone. Now, do you want to see how does a xylophone play? Yes. Can we have the video of it, please, Jabin ma'am? You all can watch how the xylophone plays. Okay, everyone?
Yeah, Zainab teacher, yeah, just a second, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The X video, right? What you have given me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Of the xylophone.
The next letter is X. X. X is for xylophone. Let's learn the musical notes. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, do, so, so, la, la, so, fa, fa, mi, re, do. Who played the xylophone? That's me. I played the xylophone. I can also make an X with the sticks. Next comes the letter
Okay. So did you see? Do you play
Yes, we have
xylophone with your...
xylophone.
Yes, you have a xylophone. Very nice. Do you play xylophone with your fingers? No. We use...
I also xylophone.
Very good. So you all know what is a xylophone, isn't it? Yes. So xylophone is with letter X and X says X, X, X. Yes. Now let us see the next letter. You know which is the next letter? Now see, can you see letter X? It has two slanting lines. Yes. Now what will happen if I fold away this one slanting line? See? Now, is this letter X?
Y.
See which letter this has become? Yes,
Y.
this has become letter Y. Small slanting line and a big slanting line. This is letter Y. Y says Y, Y, Y. Which sound does Y make? Y says Y, Y, Y. Yes, small slanting line and a big slanting line. This is letter Y. Now, let us see what starts with letter Y. Now, what have I got? Okay. Now, see, what is this? Yes, this is an egg. Who gives us eggs? Hen. Yes, hen lays eggs. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is this small yellow portion called of the egg? This is called the yolk. Yes, this yellow portion is called the yolk. Y for yolk. Yolk. Yes, egg has a yellow colored yolk. Can you see this in the center? Yes, this is a yolk. And what is the color of the yolk?
Zena
Yolk
teacher,
is-
sorry to disturb you. Can you take the
Yes,
letter Y? Because see, when you project on the screen, it becomes ulta. You just check your Y is the formation is wrong. Can you do it and then
Okay,
show?
okay.
Yes, right. Yeah, because on the screen it happens.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're right. I didn't realize it. Okay, so Y. Okay, everyone. This is letter Y. Okay, small line and the big slanting line. Now you can see. Yes, this is letter Y. So Y for yolk. Yolk. Yes, and the yolk is which color? Yellow color. Yolk is yellow color. So Y for yellow. Yellow. See, this is a yellow color yolk. Now, what else comes with letter Y? See, what is this? Yes, this is a yacht. Yes, sail your yacht gently down the sea. Merrily, life is but a dream. Yes, this is a yacht, and the yacht sails in the sea. Okay, and what are these? These are the sails. Yes, yacht sails with the help of the sails. When the wind blows, the sails push the yacht forward. Okay, so Y for yacht. Yacht. Yes, everyone. Y for yacht. Yacht. Okay. Now, when we are tired and when we are very sleepy, what do we do? What do we do when we are tired and we are sleepy? We get a yawn. How do you yawn? Come on, show me. How do you yawn? Come on, everyone, yawn and show me. Should we yawn with our mouth open? Like this? No, we must cover our mouth when we yawn. Cover your mouth and yawn. Come on. I'm so sleepy. Yes. Y for yawn. Yawn. Yes, when we are tired, we all yawn, isn't it? Yes. So Y for yawn. Yawn. And now, what does Munira ma'am make you do to keep your body and mind fresh? Come on, everyone. Pinch your thumb and your finger. Yes, cross your legs. Put your hands on your knees and close your eyes.
Yoga.
Yes, we do yoga to keep our mind and body fresh. Yes, so Y for yoga. Yoga. You all do yoga with Munira teacher, isn't it? I mean, I see you all doing. So Y for yoga.
Why?
Yoga. Yes. So these were our letters X and Y. Okay. Now, what activity we are going to do today? Now, tell me Did you all understand the letters X and Y properly? Yes? So now we are going to play a small game. Do you know what game it is? You have to do action. When I show you the object, you have to do action and tell me whether it starts with letter X or letter Y. How will you make letter X? Everyone, come on, cross your hands and make letter X for me. Come on, everyone, show me how will you make letter X with your hands. This is letter X. One slanting line, two slanting lines. See? Show me letter X, everyone. Yes, you will cross your hands and make letter X. Yes? And how will you make letter Y? How will you make letter Y with your hands? You will raise your hands up. Yes, see, this is letter Y. I have a, yes, egg, yolk. Yolk starts with letter Y. Come on, put your hands up. Very good. Yes. Y for yolk. Yolk. Very good. So did you all understand the letter X and Y? Yes. Now see what I have got for you. We can make a lovely craft with letter X. Do you want to see what it is? See what Zainab teacher is going to make for you. See. One slanting line and two slanting line. Which letter Zainab teacher has made? I have made
Yes, so time to say goodbye. Everybody is going to do their letter X at home. And they are going to also draw the duck and color their ducks also. Okay. Yes, everybody is going to come on. So let's say goodbye to your friends. Everybody is going to say goodbye to their friends. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, bye. Did you say thank you,
teacher?
Yes.
bye everyone. Bye.
Bye.
See you all tomorrow.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye. Sweetheart. Bye.
Oh yeah, kids, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone.